Alright, there you have it! Let's congratulate them by clapping our hands all together! Congratulations to Team Men Are Producing, Women Are From Alabang! And this time, let's hear a few words from our lead stars and of course our director. A message for everyone.
Kumusta? How was it? Did you guys like it? Okay ba? Yes, actually, grabe. Totoo yung mga iyak namin. Totoo yung lines na yun. Hindi yan lalabas kung hindi dahil kay Direct Gino again. And I'm just so happy you like it. Thank you so much.
I really hope you guys liked it. We gave it all, right? And again, thank you for that.
Thank you guys for the trust and the friendship. Pati yung pawis ni Marco, totoo din. So, please spread the word, tell your friends, family members about this film. And happy Labor Day weekend. Yay! Thank you.
And how about a word for Mr. Stanley G?
Thank you, Direk, Marvin, Kevin, and Marco. Tsaka sa producers, Signal Media Quest, maraming salamat for producing this film. Para talaga sa inyo to. Please support it and please post about the movie sa social media accounts.
There you have it. Once again, let's give them a big, big hand. Congratulations to Team Men Are Producing, Women Are From Alabang. And magkita-kita po tayo simula bukas, May 1 in cinemas nationwide. Thank you everybody and have a good night. Kita-kits bukas!
Lahat na nanonood. Actually, nanonood ako kasama nyo. Pumunta ako dun sa mga fans. Narinig ko lahat ng mga sigaw nyo, yung kilig nyo, yung mga iyak nyo, narinig ko at nagpipik lang ako. So thank you so much for enjoying the movie and being here. And of course, May 1 na po, now showing Men Are From QC and Women Are From Alabang. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lola.
Picture with me.
Where's Yoyo?
Okay, Andy, come here.
Okay, everyone, look here sa lens. Look at my lens. Okay, ready? 1, 2, smiling. One more. 1, 2. The last one.
Ikaw ang last.
Oh, yan si Gina. Thank you.
Hey, ano ba ito? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, isa pa 1 more pa. 1, 2, 3.
That means we did it. All because of the friend. Cheer me all the time.
Yeah. Ganyan.
Yan, yan.
Thank you for coming. I'll see you guys going to...
Okay, Marco, quick question lang.
Yeah.
How is it now seeing your movie ngayon nag-premiere na kamusta and seeing reaction sa mga tao?
How was it? It felt amazing. Just people in my life, my family, and my closest friends, my partner. It was, I don't know, it was just one of those things that you never forget in your life, and having the feeling of your hard work be shown on screen, and it's just such a moment. I can't describe it, but it feels surreal.
Ano sabi na lahat ni Marco eh. Pero yun nga, syempre nakakatuwa kasi kasama namin ngayon yung mga closest sa puso namin. Kumbaga pamilya, friends, workmates, and so even the production are here. And we're just so happy na nakikita ng lahat yung pinaghirapan namin dalawa. And
Parang may ginagawa naman kami sa buhay.
and wala, I'm just happy na ang ganda rin ng reception ng lahat na nagustuhan talaga nila yung film. So,
Quick question lang, are you Team Tina or Team Aika?
I'm Team Aika. Team Aika.
Sabihin ko na
Team
sana,
Aika.
Team Aika. Team Aika.
Yes.
Why?
Wala akong choice. Makasabunutan ako nito mamaya.
Team
Sige,
Aika.
last na lang, please invite na lang people to watch.
Hello everyone! Inimbitahan po namin kayo manood ng Men Are From QC.
And Women Are From Alabang.
Now showing in cinemas nationwide.
Thank you.
Where's my poster?
Ito. Wait lang. Okay. Go Marco.
Baka with friends.
Ito na lang.
I want a poster as well.
Bigyan ka namin. Ito sila, Ate Lay. Ate Lay! Makikita ko ba kayo doon sa Boteju? Okay, I'll see you guys there.
Ingay mo eh, rinig agad dito eh.
Regina! Ikaw yung pinakamaingay kanina. Uy,
Yun ang video natin si Kuya. Gaano ka bilis?
Nice. Okay, ready? Oops. Looking here muna. One more. Another one. Wait lang, okay. Then okay lang once, ay meron ka? Sige po, ano yung ganun lang, para magkaharap lang kayo. Ready? Sige, 3. Ay, wag mo na magharap, tingin mo sa ibang lugar. 3, 2, 1, tingin lang po. Good, yeah. Sige, tawa-tawa nga, bigyan ng tawa-tawa. Ang ganda na ito. 3, 2, 1, go. Closer. Last one. Excuse me lang po. Guys, half body ako. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yan, tingin. Ganda na ito. Closer. Yan, tingin dito. Guys, tingin dito. Smile lang. Smile. And cut. Yan. Okay. Okay. One shot. Looking here first. Then okay lang, look at each other na kayo. Yeah. Last one. Then look here again. Yan. Another different pose na. Yeah. Okay, ready. Baka maging prenup.
Prenup pala!
Joke lang.
Joke time nyo ako.
Guys, last pose na lang. Mas 3, 2, 1, sige. Galaw. Ito na nga po my friend. Go. Hello.
Anong kulitan?
Pasampasan na. Go, action. Tingin dito. Isang babay lang. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's go!
Tapos tatakpan nyo lang. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Tingnan. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Look here. Takip camera. Last one. Tingnan. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Takip. Okay, good job.